today is, crap, I forgot my watch is dead, but it is February 16th. I do not know what time it is because this thing is dead. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:18 p.m.
Yeah, my watch is dead. Forgot I need to put that on the charger. But yeah, I'm gonna let you know some of the things I got at Walmart the other night. Can't really move around since I have the tripod set up, since it's the poster and futon I'm sitting on. But to start off, something that's in the freezer that I'm not gonna take out because it might melt. I got some ice cream that goes with this, so I have different flavors in that inside the freezer. I think it's called, Mountain Dew Amp. I have one of each flavor. I think that's out. The blue, yellow, red, and green one. I think that's what's in the fridge. Well, the blue one I have out right now. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I opened that, so when I opened it to try it, it's not gonna be loud, but this one is called Charge Berry Blast. It's game fuel, alertness, accuracy, and it has vitamin A and B in it. But the way you open it is lift this tab, push back, and then you just drink out of it. It's pretty good for it being a blue one. The other things I got is a sign that I have on the wall. I'm actually gonna show you that, so one moment. Trying to get you off the tripod. Yeah, have you on the tripod, but yeah. This is the sign. Home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects. So this is something nerdy related, but I'm gonna show you the ice cream since I'm up. And yeah, there is an orange, lemon, lime, blue raspberry, and red berry. So 16 frozen pops. I might end up eating some of the spaghetti from last night later. Oh yeah. Yep. Green, red, blue, and yellow is the colors that I have for that. My little snack part right here. My shelf. Both of ours. His. And where we keep the chips. We definitely need to do dishes again. What are you looking at, puppy? You having fun? Harley, you having fun exploring? I think that is yes. Oops. Oh yeah. Table's gone. It broke. So we're either getting another table or we're just gonna move her to this side. Either way, she might get moved from where she is. Sit. Bitch. Paw. Thank you. Hopefully you don't claw me. Yeah, these are the roses I got at work. You've already seen the other stuff I got for Valentine's Day. Why are you sniffing me? Don't sniff me. And time to show you the other thing we got at Walmart. So quickly finish this. One item was $3, another one was $10, but to be exact, one was a Valentine's Day item. The other one is an Easter one. Yeah, Walmart already has Easter out. But meet TT. That's what we decided to name her. TT, the $3 Triceratops. And then Teresa. I don't know why these names came to mind, but this one's name is Teresa. The $10 one. No, it's not a chew toy. Thank you. Go lay down. You're not getting Teresa. But yeah. Got 2 dinosaurs now. So 2 Triceratops. I'm still eating my Sour Patch Kids. Hold on, I'm gonna show you her reaction to sour candy. Does the puppy want sour candy? Sit. Let's see if I can get one of each flavor. Almost. Just need a yellow. Come on, yellow. Is there a yellow? Nope. Dang it. Okay. Giving her a red one. Sit. 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 Uh-oh. Might have to try again. She got it, I think. Nope, she left it on the floor. I'm fighting the bag. Is it stuck under there? Hold on. I can't get up. My shoe. I lost the shoe. No. Move. 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 Oh my god, it's in her mouth. I think she just ate it. Orange one. I have a dog that likes sour candy. Green. Puppy, sit. And now the blue one. The one we all know is blue raspberry. Harley. Never mind, she's eating the other red one. Sit. Sit. Yep, I have a puppy that likes sour candy. No more. No more. Squeak, squeak. You done? Sit. Sit. Paw. 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 Thank you. Yes, you can lick my hand. You're so spoiled. You deserve a treat every now and then. But no more. No more. No more. No more candy. Not good for you. You done? Sorry, not my fault your claws are messy. Maybe next time it won't have to involve two people clipping your nails. Chic, chic, chic. Go, Nene. Nene. Yep, she's a good puppy. Go, Nene. I said Nene. Go, Nene. Harley, go, Nene. Nope, she's just wanting to explore. Get away from the table. Sit. Paw. Okay, just lick my hand. Happy New. Don't mind my foot. Paw. I said paw, not face. Paw. Thank you. Shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Go get him. Go get the sound. She just goes to the... Yeah, that's all I have for you. What are you doing? Please get out from under the tripod. Thank you. That is a no-no. No climbing under the tripod. Come here. Come on. You're so spoiled. You're a spoiled puppy. You're so spoiled. So spoiled. No, you're not getting the dinosaur. No. Mine. My puppy. Mine. Mine. You're so spoiled. You'll get in a bath tomorrow. You'll get in a bath again tomorrow. You need one. Go lay down. Go, Nene. Ah! Got me toe. Maybe we do need to clip your back claws. God. Right between where my toenail actually grows out. God. Every time with her. Okay. I will catch you guys later. I'm gonna check on my toe because I think she actually scratched it. Bye.